Hey friends, this is Randy Dawn and a marathon coach, and we're at one of our favorite stops. We're at, it's called Motor Coach Resort of Port St. Lucie, and we like to take walks, and so we get out in the morning, sometimes at night, and we notice how many people travel with their pets. So we decided just to snag a few and share some of the beautiful pets that we see when we're out strolling around in the morning. And you can just see the love of these dogs. They're just wonderful little creatures.
Yeah,
we love them.
Found a lot of them were rescues. Yeah. A lot of the pets are rescues.
That's true. They are a lot of rescues. We actually have a rescue as well that we don't take with us on the road, working for Marathon, but she's very well taken care of at home. Thanks, Mom and Dad.
Yeah. So. And I think what people have to realize, pets are a big part of coaching. I mean,
they are.
How many times don't we hear, I need a king-size bed because we have 2 dogs that sleep with us, or we need this because our dogs travel with us. So pets are a big part of this lifestyle. So it dictates a lot of what the people do with their coaches. So.
Yeah. So we hope you enjoy this video, and we all know you at Port St. Lucie are going to watch this one over and over. Look for your pet, because they're in there somewhere.
That's right. And keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.
We're filming dogs this morning.
Well, there's a good one to film.
That's right.
Who is this? What's the name?
Lulu.
Lulu.
And Lulu is what?
Lulu will be 12 in March.
Wow.
Oh, Lulu.
American Bulldog.
American Bulldog. So who is this?
His name's Luca.
Luca.
We're doing a little clip of all the pets in the.
You're a handsome boy.
Oh, yeah.
You're a handsome buddy. Look at this face. Patty.
Yeah.
Oh, I know it's hard to film and pet you. You're so sweet. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, they're the best, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go.
Yeah. So what are their names?
Sweet.
Vino and Bacchus.
Oh
Vino.
Vino for wine, and
Oh.
Bacchus for the wine god.
Oh my goodness,
how
that's
neat.
creative. And how long have you had them? How old are they?
We got them when they're 8 weeks old and they're 8 years old.
Oh, got them together at the same time?
The same litter.
Oh, they're brothers.
Oh, let
Awesome.
me see the other
They
one.
look
Can you
so different.
Yeah, their hair is.
Yeah.
Oh, sweetie. You're gonna be movie stars.
You're not bad.
Yeah, you're gonna be movie stars.
If you put them out, you want to put them on the grass because they like it.
Aww. Well, great. Thank
Well,
you.
thank you.
He's so happy. So this is Kingsley. How old is Kingsley?
He'll be 5 in May.
5. He is beautiful. Oh, BBs.
We rescued
two.
Tula from the Fort Pierce Humane Society.
Oh.
How long ago?
She's 9.
9.
And you've had her the whole time?
Yes.
Oh my
Here in our
goodness.
motorhome.
Oh. Well, what a nice life. Oh. Oh.
So does she
That's
travel
sweetie.
with you all the time then?
Yep.
Aw.
Goes everywhere we go.
She's got 120,000 miles on it.